This is Christina from AceVacuums. I am going to talk about what is the SEBO 300 mechanical upright vacuum. What makes the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner special? The SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner is a fully mechanical upright vacuum with no electronic components. Designed for high performance and low maintenance, it's perfect for commercial and residential use. Available at SEBO dealer AceVacuums, it's ideal for anyone seeking simplicity and durability. Q2 is the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner good for homes with pets or allergies? Absolutely. Its hospital-grade S-Class filtration system traps 99.9% of allergens, pet dander, and fine dust. The SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner is frequently recommended by SEBO dealer AceVacuums for allergy sufferers and pet owners alike. Q3. How does the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner perform on different floor types? Thanks to its manual height adjustment, the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner works great on carpets, area rugs, hardwood, tile, and more. It transitions seamlessly between surfaces, offering consistent suction and strong brush action. Q4. Is this model better than vacuums with digital controls? If you prefer simplicity, yes. The SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner has no circuit boards or digital sensors to fail. It's built to work and last, making it the go-to choice at SEBO dealer AceVacuums for reliability-focused buyers. Q5. How heavy is the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner? It weighs around 18.5 pounds, sturdy enough for commercial-grade performance, but easy to maneuver with its ergonomic handle and wide 12 inches cleaning path. Q6. Does it come with accessories? The base unit of the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner focuses on upright vacuuming. Accessories and tools are sold separately and can be purchased directly from SEBO dealer AceVacuums. Q7. What kind of maintenance does the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner require? Simple and infrequent. Just change the bag when full and replace filters as needed. No software updates, sensors, or diagnostics. Just old-school durability. All parts are stocked by SEBO dealer AceVacuums. Q8. Can I buy the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner online? Yes. The vacuum is available online at www.acevacuums.com with fast shipping and warranty support. You can also try it in person at SEBO dealer AceVacuums in Fairfax and Leesburg, Virginia. Q9. What's the warranty on the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner? When purchased from SEBO dealer AceVacuums, the vacuum includes 7-year motor warranty, 5-year parts warranty, 1-year labor warranty. Q10. Who should buy the SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum cleaner? It's ideal for homeowners wanting powerful, no-hassle cleaning, commercial cleaning professionals, allergy sufferers, customers frustrated with fragile, non-performing vacuums. Buy SEBO 300 mechanical vacuum from SEBO dealer AceVacuums today.